Thank you for joining us today. Today, we're going to practice our English listening skills while we talk about Thanksgiving. So, Thanksgiving is a holiday that happens, it's an American holiday, and it happens on the fourth Thursday of every November. So, it might happen on the 30th. It might happen on the 25th. It might happen on the 23rd. It depends on when it is a Thursday. So it can be a different day of the month every month or every year, but it's always going to be on a Thursday, on the fourth Thursday of every November. What do we do on this holiday? So the first thing that we do is we give thanks. This is a holiday where we usually talk about the things that we are thankful for, the things that we are glad to have in our lives. For a lot of families, we will sit around the Thanksgiving table. We'll sit around the dining room table with friends and family, and we will all go around and everybody will talk about what they're thankful for. So I'm thankful for my friends and family. I'm thankful that I passed the test. I'm thankful for uh, whatever it might be. I'm thankful for my kids. So I want you to try it out. Leave a comment and let us know what you are thankful for. You can say, I'm thankful for my friends. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my job. I'm thankful for my health, or I'm thankful for my father's health. I'm thankful for the ability to get an education. I'm thankful for my pet. I'm thankful for my home. It can be anything, big or small, that you are thankful for. It's just a time to show appreciation a lot of times for the little things in life that we take for granted, and but they really make a big difference in our lives. One of the traditions that we have on Thanksgiving Day is to have a big feast. So the family will get together. A lot of times, extended family. It can be a very crowded time because you'll have aunts and uncles and cousins and grandparents, your brothers, your sisters, your parents, your in-laws, all together around the table to share a big feast. And there are a lot of foods that we eat on Thanksgiving Day. So today I'm going to tell you about some of the most popular foods that people eat on Thanksgiving. The first one is turkey. So Thanksgiving is actually also called Turkey Day. It's kind of a slang word for Thanksgiving. And most families will have turkey. Some families will have ham or lamb or roast beef instead, but the majority of families will eat turkey on Thanksgiving. And inside this turkey, we put stuffing. Stuffing is like a dry, seasoned bread that when you cook it, it's no longer dry. It's like fluffy and soft. And this is something that most people actually cook inside their turkey. My boyfriend is cooking Thanksgiving dinner. He's the cook in our family. And this year, he's making our stuffing a little bit different. He's going to be putting mango in it. So this should be interesting. He's a really good cook, and when things don't sound good, I promise they always are. And he's going to be making the turkey inside of the smoker. So that will be the first time that I have ever had a smoked turkey, and I'm looking forward to it. Another thing that we usually eat is mashed potatoes and gravy. I love mashed potatoes and gravy. I don't know about you. I love it. Sweet potatoes is another one. You might also hear this called yams. So you take the sweet potato, you cook it, you mash it up, and my family makes it with butter and brown sugar. Some families will make sweet potatoes in a casserole dish. By the way, if there is an English word that you're not sure of and you want me to let you know what it means, comment the word in the description box and I will tell you about it. But sweet potatoes, a sweet potato casserole is made inside a dish, and some people will put marshmallows on top of it. I don't like marshmallows on my sweet potatoes, so I don't eat that kind of casserole. Ours looks more like mashed potatoes, but they are sweet. I do like sweet potatoes. Green bean casserole is another one that is really popular. This is also made inside a casserole dish. People will put different things on it. It might be creamy, and it's got maybe fried onions, some cream, some green beans. Everyone makes it a little different. If you would like to know how we make ours, let me know, and I can make a video talking about how we make our green bean casserole. And actually, the same goes for any foods that I show you. If you want me to post a recipe video talking you through how we make it, let me know and I can do that. Cranberry sauce. I think cranberry sauce is disgusting. This is made from cranberries. A lot of people will eat it in the can. They take the can, they open the can, they dump it out, and it's like cranberry jelly. I think cranberry sauce and cranberry jelly is disgusting. However, my mother makes a cranberry relish, which is more like a fruit salad. I know she puts cranberries, sugar, mandarin oranges. I forgot what else she puts in it, but it's really, really good. And I like her cranberry relish. Deviled eggs. Oh my goodness. Do you guys eat deviled eggs in your country? So, deviled eggs are really popular. You hard boil an egg and cut it in half. And then you take out the egg yolk, the yellow part of it. You put all the egg yolks together in a bowl. You mix it together with mustard and mayonnaise and some seasonings. And then you put that back into the eggs. And those are your deviled eggs. Deviled eggs are really, really good. I love them. Salad. Salad is another side dish that many people will have at their Thanksgiving dinner. And then biscuits or maybe cornbread. That's also very popular. And for dessert, we might have pumpkin pie or pecan pie or apple pie for dessert. Pumpkin pie is my favorite. I love pumpkin pie with a little bit of whipped cream on top. I think my dad's favorite is apple pie. So it's time to practice your English. Leave a comment. What foods do you like? And which of these foods would you like to try? I like all of these except for cranberry sauce. I don't like cranberry sauce. I don't like cranberry jelly. Uh, the rest of the Thanksgiving dinner, I do like. Stuffing, I'm not a huge fan of stuffing, but I will eat some of it. We have different traditions on Thanksgiving Day. The first one is the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. This happens in New York City. A lot of families will watch this parade on TV. If you want to see what it looks like, you can look at old parades on like YouTube or probably on Xiaohongshu if you're there, and you can find what the Thanksgiving Day Parade looks like. There will usually be some floats and some giant balloons, a marching band. This is a memory that I have with my family every year watching the Thanksgiving Day Parade. Watching football. So we are in America. In America, football is our most favorite sport. Everybody loves football, or at least a lot of people do. And on Thanksgiving Day, a lot of people will watch a football game. I don't know. Do you like football? Let me know in the comments if you like football. Black Friday shopping. This is a Thanksgiving tradition, but it doesn't happen until the Friday after Thanksgiving. This is our country's biggest shopping day of the year. There are a ton of Black Friday sales. You can see in this picture that things are getting a little violent, and that's something that used to happen on Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving on Black Friday, because everybody would wait in line outside of the store for the doors to open, and they would want to get the best deal. So maybe there was a giant TV that was really cheap, or a popular toy that everybody wanted for Christmas. And people would actually fight over getting in the store first, and they would fight over getting the best deal, the best thing that was on the Black Friday list. I know people that would go out in teams. They would have a team of people to go Black Friday shopping. And maybe one person gets all the TVs. One person gets all of the toy that everybody wants. One person gets all of the blankets or socks or whatever. And then they would all meet up together, swap their things, and check out together. So that way they could make sure that if everybody was trying to get a TV, they could all get the TVs because they wouldn't have to decide which deal they wanted to take. Now, Black Friday isn't as crazy as it used to be. I actually have never been Black Friday shopping during all of the craziness. I don't like crowds, so I never went. But now everybody goes shopping online. So the most you have to do is hope that you're the first to click that button and check out with your deal. And we also have Cyber Monday, which happens on Monday instead of Friday. And you can do a lot of internet shopping on Cyber Monday. Another tradition that a lot of people partake in the United States is deer hunting on Thanksgiving Day. They'll go out in the morning, maybe like 5 o'clock in the morning, and wait and wait and wait until they see a deer, and they will try to hunt deer on Thanksgiving Day. The turkey trot is a race that many cities, especially the big cities, have. You can see here the YMCA. This is a gym, a popular gym, a family gym. They're having their 129th annual turkey trot this Thanksgiving. So I'm recording this on Saturday, November 23rd. This upcoming Thursday is our Thanksgiving, and there will be a turkey trot in my city. I've never done a turkey trot, and I probably never will, but this is something that a lot of people, especially people that like running, will do on Thanksgiving. So it's practice time. Let me know in the comments, which tradition do you think would be the most fun? Would you like to go Black Friday shopping, watch a parade, eat a Thanksgiving feast, watch football, do the turkey trot race, or go deer hunting? Let me know in the comments. And also, if there's something that you know of an American family that does on Thanksgiving that I didn't talk about, you can let us know about that as well in the comments. So now it is time to wrap this up. Thank you so much for coming in today and practicing your listening skills, practicing using English in the comments. Make sure that you subscribe or follow this account, and I will be posting more English lessons and listening practice as well. So I will see you guys all later. Bye, guys.